How to see other viewers on Facebook Story. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So if your Facebook profile is public, then that means that not only your friends, but people you are not friends with will also be able to see your story. However, you won't be able to see who it is. It will only be shown as others. To be able to see other viewers, first open the Facebook app. Click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. At the search bar at the top, search for Story Settings. Click on this first of Story Privacy. So if you click on this arrow where right now it is saying Public, and if you click on Specific Friends, if you swipe from right to left, then it'll show you a list of people. So these list of people are not your friends, but they will be the people who have interacted with you, whether it's by sending you a message, interacting with your post, or things like that. So you'll see the list of people who are not your friends, but the ones who have viewed your story. So this is how to see other viewers on Facebook Story. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.